Welcome to the Philippines. Today, we're going to explore the top 6 places you must visit while you're here. First on our list are the Bano rice terraces, known as the 8th wonder of the world. They're a must-see. Next, we have the bustling capital of Manila. Explore the historical sites and vibrant culture of this city. Beautiful beaches of Palawan. Crystal clear waters and stunning limestone cliffs await you here. Fourth on our list are the Chocolate Hills in Bohol. These unique geological formations are a sight to behold. Last but not least, we have the famous island of Vacay. Relax on its white sandy beaches and enjoy the vibrant nightlife.